Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the workspace. Don't skip PPE because aluminum dust and solvents irritate. Once ready, determine what you're removing: loose foil, oxidized coating, or bulk AL, and select a tool. For thin deposits, use a plastic scraper and 80 grit to lift material gently. For thicker metal, switch to a wire brush or low-speed sanding. Work at a shallow angle to avoid gouging the substrate and check progress every few passes so you don't over-remove. Once you've removed the loose layer, continue methodically. Change grits in stages to blend and prevent deep scratches. If the aluminum is adhered or work-hardened, apply a manufacturer-recommended aluminum remover or a low heat gun briefly. Make sure to test a small patch to confirm it won't damage the base metal. While sanding, keep the area slightly wet or use a wet sponge to capture dust and reveal the true surface. Make steady passes and pause to inspect. Uneven pressure creates waves you'll later correct. You complete the job by thoroughly cleaning. Neutralize any chemical remover, rinse with water, and dry immediately to prevent flash corrosion. Then apply a corrosion inhibitor or suitable primer to seal the metal. This protects against staining and future adhesion problems. If the surface shows small pits, use a compatible metal filler, sand smooth with 320 grit, and reprime. Troubleshooting tip: if discoloration or etching appears, stop, neutralize, and repeat a gentler mechanical pass.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.